Maybe one more question, and we can go to the end. I remember once I was working in a company. We were kind of doing kind of SOAR. Like I was checking the AWS APIs. If someone created a EC2, for example, open to the internet, then my script was just alerting and changing the security group. Like simple things. Do you guys also have things like this in mind? For example, you have a code scan that you detect something, and they will not fix today, and it's okay. They don't have capacity, time, whatever, or they don't know how to fix, or just don't want to. And then you could automatically create a WAF rule or the runtime rule that would, okay, I know that I have a SQL injection here on the code. I will not fix this. But how can I mitigate this using the other capabilities that I have as a WAF, as a rules, I don't know, or it's, as you said, you are monitoring the application, so you know that the SQL injection is a path that nobody's using, so you could even shut down this specific service. I don't know, this kind of things. Do you have this in mind, or not, or and how do you see this?
So it's definitely it's definitely a great capability to have, because you can't fix all of the vulnerabilities, and you have existing controls already that you have on your environment and your organization that you can utilize in order to protect from other vulnerabilities. So this is something that like we tackle it a bit differently in our product, and the way we see it is that we want that as an AppSec vendor, provide all of the information needed to understand the exact impact of each issue, and even understand how a chain of vulnerabilities can be stacked together in order to understand the exploitation path. And then the way we're looking at is that vendors that have these trains of understanding all of the controls that you have can fetch this information and then understand how exactly you want, where you want to turn it on, whether you need to turn it on, and so on and so forth.
Okay, good point.
Oi, gostou desse corte? Então te aconselho a seguir o perfil, que tem muito mais conteúdo, e também te convido a continuar o episódio completo na íntegra.